So when I started thinking about putting this class together, I remembered what it was like when I first began painting with watercolour. And the way that I approached it was to play in a sketchbook, and that brings a lot of freedom to your process. It allows you to really explore the properties of watercolour, and I think it's a fantastic place to start. So what I'm going to do is share with you my favourite type of sketchbook or art journal for watercolour, and take you through a few simple pages that I hope will help you to loosen up and start to enjoy playing with your paints.